Hey, Kalam here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create documentary video using AI. If you scroll down YouTube, here are lots of video. They are created documentary video using AI tool, and this is a very trending tool. It's called like invideo.io. So this link I will touch in my video description but is access if I going on similar web. If you look like its monthly visit are 8 millions of people, and most of the coming from United States, Brazil, India, Germany and United Kingdom and any others country. So can you imagine about this tool? So I'm explaining you everything how you can create documentary video using this AI tool. Then you can publish on YouTube and Facebook and any others social media. First of all, you need to log in here. So once you have done it, you need to click on create AI video from scratch. So when you click on here, again click on this icon like create AI explainer. Otherwise, then here are write your topic. So I click here, then here are type in the world now 2024. Oh, so this is my video title. So I select here 3 minutes. You can select up to 15 minutes. So I click maybe 5 minutes, then long explainer video for YouTube. Okay, I select my platform are YouTube. Then here are use only generate media. Okay, this is good. Background music. So I here write inspire or travel. I just here voiceover artist. I need to add a voiceover artist here. So I select male, then a British, Southeast Californian. Okay, that's good. You can select any others. This is a speaker 1 2 3. Okay, just click on continue. Once you have clicking here, you can see it's analyzing start right now. So I'm waiting few seconds for this result. Now you need to select some aspect like visual style. So I'm using realistic, audience type, travelist. Okay, this is good. Then platform YouTube. Again click on continue. Then again click on continue. You can see it's already working start right now. This might take a few minutes. So it's 11% done. So I'm again waiting few seconds.
A few moments later.
Okay, once you have done it, if you have not satisfied with this result, just click on edit. You can editing everything and anything. So I don't need actually right now. You can see everything here are possible. So I skip this session. If I playing right now.
Hey, travel enthusiasts! Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just someone who loves to explore.
Okay, that's good. Now click on download, then stock. I want to download this video with free method. Then I must be select stock watermark. Then normal 720. So if you want to use this video for YouTube and Facebook, this professionally, you must be need upgrade your plan. So
Hey, travel enthusiasts! Whether you're a seasoned globetrotter or just someone who loves to explore new places, today's topic is sure to pique your interest. Today, I'm diving into the living costs of the world's priciest city for 2024. This city has consistently ranked high in terms of living expenses, and this year it has taken the top spot. Can you guess where it is? Drumroll, please. Take a moment to think about it. Is it a bustling metropolis in Europe? Or perhaps a glamorous city in the Middle East? It's none other than Singapore. This vibrant city-state has a lot to offer, but it comes at a price. Now, what makes Singapore the most expensive city to live in this year? Let's break it down. First off, housing. The real estate market here is incredibly competitive. Renting a one-bedroom apartment in the city center, you're looking at roughly $3,500 per month. This is significantly higher than in many other major cities around the world. Yep, you heard that right. The cost of living here can be quite a shock to the system. If you want a bit more space, say a 3-bedroom apartment, prepare to drop around $7,500. This is ideal for families or those who need extra room. Next up, let's talk transportation. Getting around the city is crucial.
This is really simple. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.